Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer n and two lines of n positive integers as the input and print the integers from the first line whose sum of digits is present in the line 2, and then if there is no such integer in line 1, then the program must print -1 as the output. Now we'll take our first test case. Now in this test case we have 5 integers in each line. So this is our first line and this is our second line, and now we are going to check for the sum of the digits in the each integer of first line. So first we have 53. So integers in 53 is 5 and 3, and the sum of 5 and 3 is, that is 5 plus 3 is 8. So now we are going to check 8 in the second line. So if 8 is present, then we are going to consider 53 in our output. Next integer is 23, and now 23, the sum of digits present in 23 is 2 plus 3, that is 5, and there is no 5 in second line, so 23 will not be considered. And then we have 57. So in 57, the sum is 5 plus 7, that is 12, and 12 is present in the second line as the first integer. So 57 will be considered as the output. And then we have 123. So the sum of digits in 123 are 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 3, and then 6. So 6 is not present in second line, so it will not be considered. And then we have 457. So 457, the sum of digits is 4 plus 5 plus 7, that is 9 plus 7, that is 16. So 16 is present in second line, so 457 will be considered as the output. So this will be the logic. Now we'll take our second test case. Now in this test case we have 8 integers in each line, and then this is the first line and this is the second line. Since we don't have any integer as the sum of integers from the first line in second line, we'll get -1 as the output. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the integer n, and then we'll get the list 1, that is the integers in the first line, list of map of in comma input of, and then we'll get the list 2, that is the second line with n integers in comma input of dot split off, and then we'll have a variable called flag as 1, and then we have to iterate over the list 1, that is for val in list 1. So if There is, if the sum of digits in the val is equal to, that is in the list 2, that is if the sum of the digits in val is in the list 2 means, then we are going to print the val and use end argument, and then flag will be changed to 0, and then now we are going to define the function sum of digit. Now this is, name of the function is sum of digits, and then we have num. So first the total is equal to 0, while the num is greater than 0, we're going to increment the total with the number mod 10 and num double slash equal to 10, and we'll return the total. So now if the flag is equal to 1 means, then we are going to print the -1 as our output. Now let us execute our program. We'll pass our first test case. So yes, we have got the correct output. And now we'll run our program with our second test case. So here also we have got the correct output.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.
Yeah.